You may not believe it, but your pets have really, really bad breath for the most part. If you've had guests over like we have, and you can kind of see that face that one of them makes when they go to pet your dog, and they're kind of like, I want to go over here. That's a bad sign. Well, I've got the perfect solution for you. My wife and I absolutely love our Bodhi dog breath spray. This is the mint flavor. It's super, super fresh, minty. It's used with all natural ingredients, eco-friendly, pet-friendly, animal cruelty-free. It's made in the US of A. You gotta love that. This is a phenomenal company that are ethically committed to dogs and animals. It's a great company that's made and founded by animal lovers, and it shows because the product is simple, it's easy to use, and this actually works. Our dog's breath. My favorite flavor is mint. My favorite ice cream is mint. And I use mint gum as well. So I was so excited to discover that they made this doggy breath fresh spray in spearmint and fresh mint flavor. All you need to do is literally just open your fur baby's mouth, spray liberally on both sides. And I was actually surprised. My dog Blue did not flinch. He actually almost seemed like he wanted more of it. He was actually enjoying it. And the results are just, phenomenal. So highly, highly recommend. Get rid of bad breath. This is the perfect thing and solution for you. We love this.